Dropshippers everywhere use Minea to spy on competitor ads across Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. 200,000 users, right? Influencer endorsements from Yomi Denzel and Iman Gadji. Promises of analyzing over 200 million ads daily. Like the holy grail of product research? I mean, come on. I don't know it yet, like...
Coffee, spelled backwards, is EFOC, which is funny, because until I've had my coffee, I don't give EFOC about anything.
Same energy, buddy, because until I've studied this thing, I don't give EFOC about anything they say. So Minea markets itself as the last subscription you'll ever need for dropshipping, right? Their platform? It crawls Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest multiple times daily, storing ads in a massive database. You get advanced filters to find trending products, track competitor stores, and analyze influencer partnerships. One tool replacing 5 subscriptions. Get this, AI-powered insights, real-time data on what's selling. They even throw in 200 free credits to test the platform. Then you hit subscribe. The starter plan costs $49 monthly for 10,000 credits. Sounds generous, until those credits vanish. Viewing ads? Costs credits. Filtering results? More credits. And here's the part they bury. Low-loading additional search results deducts up to 100 credits per click. Users on Reddit and Trustpilot? They report burning through monthly allocations in days, sometimes hours. One reviewer calculated that serious product research could drain the entire starter plan in a single afternoon.
Emotional, damn it!
Premium jumps to $99 for 100,000 credits. Business tier? It hits $399 for 150,000 credits. Even at the highest tier, heavy users report hitting limits. But let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something!
Okay, sorry. Let me tell you something about what happened when users tried to cancel their subscriptions. Multiple customers complained about unexpected billing charges after cancellation attempts. Others discovered credit balances mysteriously depleting. The support team eventually resolved most cases, but the pattern raised questions about whether the system functions as advertised. Look, the platform delivers on data quality. That 200 million ad database updates 8 times daily. The influencer tracking tool helps identify trending products before saturation. The Chrome extension provides instant insights on any Shopify store you visit. For disciplined researchers making strategic searches, Minea offers legitimate competitive intelligence. But that credit system transforms affordable monthly subscriptions into pay-per-action pricing that punishes exploration. If you're methodically researching 3 to 5 products weekly, Minea works. If you browse hundreds of ads for inspiration, credits disappear faster than your profit margins. So what's the verdict? Minea delivers powerful ad intelligence trapped inside a credit system designed to upsell you. Brilliant for disciplined researchers. For everyone else, you're renting data by the click while watching your budget evaporate one search at a time. Seriously, if this stopped you from bleeding credits on a tool that charges for exploration, perfect. I investigate which dropshipping platforms earn their subscription fees versus which ones nickel and dime you into bankruptcy. Seriously. Hey, Mark here. Okay, look. I spend a lot of time investigating these products, and I'd rather not fill this channel with sponsored content from companies whose products I might roast next week. That would be awkward. If this review helped you out or saved you from wasting money, here's how you can support what we're doing. First, I've put the link to this product in the description. If you buy through my link, they toss me a few pennies without charging you extra. Win-win. Second, there's another link down there that goes straight to Amazon's homepage. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Doesn't matter if you're buying this product or restocking on toilet paper. A tiny portion of what you're already spending helps fund these investigations. And trust me, Jeff Bezos won't even notice it's missing. It's the easiest way to support the channel without spending extra money. Alright, that's it. Keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next investigation, where we figure out what's actually worth your money and what's just expensive garbage with good marketing. Stay savage out there.